tourism groups in Thailand petition to reopen country to international travelers on July 1. Thailand's tourism sector has been decimated by the closure of international travel, groups say. Thailand's tourism sector wants to reopen the country to visitors this summer. On Tuesday, tourism groups in Thailand launched the No. 5 Open Thailand Safely campaign, asking the country to allow travelers with proof of a COVID-19 vaccine into the country without quarantine requirements by July 1. As Thailand is starting to vaccinate its most vulnerable and its healthcare workers, we believe that now is the time to announce a firm and irreversible date to reopen its borders, the petition to the Thai government says. This will give confidence to international travelers and encourage them to book a trip to Thailand. Thai tourism operators, especially those reliant on international travel, would then be able to start business planning, accept forward bookings, start to rehire staff, and conduct training programs, the petition adds. Without a firm commitment to reopening made now, Thailand may lose all of 2021 as travelers will make plans for alternative destinations. The petition, which is seeking 100,000 signatures to be sent to the Thai Prime Minister, the Minister of Tourism and Sports and the Governor of the Tourism Authority of Thailand, has 2,268 supporters as of Tuesday night. According to a letter published with the campaign, Thailand tourism and related industries have been decimated by the closure of international travel into the country because of the coronavirus pandemic. The financial, social, physical and psychological health of Thai people has been adversely affected, the letter said. The disruption of travel has not just impacted tourism, but also torn families apart and greatly reduced international trade. The current situation is unsustainable, the letter added. Campaign organizers believe that by July 1, vaccines will be widely available in many source markets, according to the letter. Organizers also believe that if the government makes a commitment now to opening its borders for travelers by July 1, that will give people enough time to plan and book their travel, it will give tourism companies enough time to prepare to restart operations, and it will give the Thai government enough time to vaccinate frontline healthcare workers and vulnerable citizens. It will take Thailand at least a year, and maybe a lot longer, to return to the large numbers of international visitors that it had before the COVID-19 crisis, the letter said. In the letter, campaign organizers also suggested several potential safeguards that international travelers could be asked to follow in order to visit the country, including showing officially recognized proof of a COVID-19 vaccination from their home country, purchasing health insurance, showing proof of a negative COVID test within 72 hours of departure, and so on, the letter said. The July 1 reopening would be a strategic opportunity for Thailand to show the leadership role among Asian countries and prepare the way for a solid recovery of the Thai economy in 2022, the letter added.